brow bone implants. So like I said in a previous video, brow bone implants are only available as a custom implant. That means it's an implant made especially for you. What we do first is we get a CT scan using a special protocol of your face, and then you and the patient and I together decide what you want. So do you want a lot of projection at the brow bone? Do you want a lot of projection at the orbital rim? Do you want both? We want one more than the other. And then I go through your CT scan, and based on your natural anatomy, the natural shape of your face, the goals that you've described to me, I design with a team of designers a custom implant. And of course, I show it to you. You get to see all of the drawings, all of the illustrations, and you approve it before we send it for production. And if you're thinking this is something you might be interested in, but you really don't know what you want, don't worry about it. It's my job to make the implant. So what's helpful for me is if patients have photos of their family, maybe a dad or an uncle that they say, I just kind of want to look like someone else in my family, I can work with that. Sometimes patients send me photos of models or people that they like. Oftentimes there's a similarity between the facial structure in those people, and I can figure out how to deliver that for each patient. I also take the patient's own skeleton, whatever previous surgeries they've had done, the position of their eyebrows, how thick their eyebrows are. There's many other factors that I take into account when I'm creating the implant to make it look strong, but still natural on the patient. So you definitely don't have to know, I want 5.2 millimeters here and 6.8 millimeters here. That's up for me to decide. You just give me an idea of what you like, what you're thinking, and I can help you create the implant that you want. And the super cool thing about custom implants is that it can literally be whatever you want. It can be as dramatic, as subtle, whatever you need. So I want to show you a couple of different examples of implants so you have an idea of how much range there is in designing these.